Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jane, and in this tutorial we're talking about motor skills. Now, this is an ICT admin account. The name of the logged in member is Jeremiah, and now we will be using this CMON to have access to where we are going to work with, dashboards we are going to work with. Now we are working with this motor skill dashboard, and I want to point out this that motor skills and the other item here called social behavior, the same configuration, exactly the same configuration is what each of them has, and therefore we are going to discuss only motor skills, and we will not discuss social behavior because two of them are essentially alike. Now, motor skill and social behaviors are the items that are to be checked against some ranking indices in terms of the students' performance or perceived students' responses and behaviors in the school or capability in the school. Now, each and every term, at end of each term, whereby the student's report card is prepared, the form teacher of the student will actually check this will actually give this particular motor skills and social behaviors indices to indicate the level of their competence, of their capability or their skill set or their behavior in the school as perceived during the academic period. Now, let's start by actually creating one so that we can see how it is done. I've clicked on create motor skill, and it will it gives us this, and we're going to name this motor skill, like I'm going to name it handicraft. I'm going to give it a position of let's say 6. Now, for example, this position is going to be used so that they can always be ranked according to a very defined configurable ranking, according to the way the school prefers it to be ranked, irrespective of when and how they were created. Now we save this one, and after saving it, it's going to give us a preview of what we created. And the preview is that the name is handicraft and the position is 6. Now we can use this place to view already existing motor skills. We can also use the home page by actually clicking on that button and click see more. When we click see more, we can go through this place and click on view motor skills. So this becomes the motor skills that exist. As you can see, this one is handicraft, that is the one we created. This is catering, this is motor skill, this is handcraft. Now then we can actually edit. This one is, now the name is handcraft and the position is 1, and we can actually change the position to any other thing. We can also view it nicely formatted way, in a nicely formatted way. Have the name handcraft and position 1. We can deactivate one of them because as you can see, two are almost looking alike. So let's just deactivate the previous one and remove it from the database. Now that one has been deactivated. It means that whenever a teacher is preparing a report for the students, he will no longer have the option, he or she will no longer have the option to actually indicate the ranking index of handcraft, this particular one for the students, because it's no longer active. This school system, the school app will no longer be using it as a motor skill for it. Now remember that this motor skills functionality is essentially the same with social behavior, and it's almost exactly the same. And we thank you for checking out this tutorial. We look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial, and we encourage you to sign up your school online scholars. Goodbye.